Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a digital products website using Shopify. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. We're going to go over here on the left to the product section, and here we're going to click on add product and we're going to start uploading all of our products. For example, I'm going to start with my stocks online course, and here we are going to copy our title, and for the description we are going to click over here on generate text and we are going to paste our title over here. Now we are going to click on generate, and using the built-in AI of Shopify we are going to generate an automatic description. Here we can either choose to generate a description again, or just click on keep, just like this, so we keep the description. Here for media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to choose an image for our product. For example, I'm going to choose this one. As you can see here on the right, we also have a product type, a vendor, a collections, and a tags section. Here, make sure to add your product to your homepage collection, and for the tags, we can put, for example, online. Now, below our image, you can see that we also have a category section. Now, usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want, we can click over here and we can change it if we so want it. For the pricing here, let's say that I'm going to charge around 50,000 pesos, let's say, for our course, and the cost per item is going to be around, let's say, 20,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 30,000 pesos profit at a 60% margin. For inventory, I am just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of inventory. And here we also have a wait section in case we are going to do any kind of shipping. Since we are not, I'm just going to skip this part. And once we are done, we're going to click over here on save. As you can see here, we would have our first product uploaded. And once we are done, we're going to go over here and we're going to keep uploading all the rest of the products of our online store. So once I'm done, I'll be back with you guys. So once we are done uploading all of the products that we want on our online store, we are going to go over here to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change its theme. For example, if we go over here at the bottom, we're going to have a couple of free themes that Shopify is going to give us. And if we click over here on visit theme store, it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store, where we are going to be able to look for a lot more themes. Some may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with our default one. So we are going to click over here on customize. And as you can see here, we're going to have a lot of different sections. That's what we are going to call them. These are going to be outlined by blue lines. And here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we are going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and we're going to click over here to select an image. We're going to click on add images to be displayed as our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the background image of our banner has now changed. Next, I'm going to click on our heading right over here, and we're going to put, for example, welcome to my digital products website. And as you can see, the text has now changed. Now we also have a lot of different options right over here on the right, so feel free to play with them if you so want. For me, let's say that we want to add a new section. For example, we're going to go over here on template and we're going to click over here on add section. Here we're going to have a lot of different options. For example, we have featured collection, featured product, a collections list, and etc. For me, I'm just going to click a featured product and I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select a product to be displayed. For me, let's say that I want to display our stocks online course. As you can see, the product is now being displayed right over here. And let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we're going to change the color scheme right over here, and we're going to put a nice dark theme. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, we're going to add a featured collection, and we want to delete this section. What we're going to do is we're going to click on it so that we select it, and we're going to go over here on the bottom right, and we're going to click on remove section. Another thing we can do is we can add sections to both our footer and our header. For example, here on our footer we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and over here on our header we can also add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is this thing right here. This is going to display our store's name. So how do we change it? We're going to save our changes up until now. We're going to exit, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, and here we would be able to change our store's name. I'm just going to put digital products, and I'm going to save it. Now, in order to see that everything is correct, we are going to go back to the online store, but now we are going to click on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and here, as you can see, the name of our store has now changed. We can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we wanted, and once we are done, we can just go back over here. The next thing that I wanted to show you is going to be the analytics and marketing section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys. Here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot more information, which is going to be really helpful in order to maintain, customize, and manage our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, I'm going to choose an amount of products. We're going to be able to customize our own discount for our store. First, we're going to choose a code. For example, we can make one ourselves. Let's say digital 101, for example, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to create a custom code for us. Here we're going to choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage, which is going to be around 10% discount. Below it, we're going to choose where does our discount apply to. For example, I'm going to choose on browse, and we're going to choose our homepage collection. That way, all of the products on our homepage would now be eligible for our discount. If we keep going down, we have further things to customize our discount. For example, if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and here lastly, if we click over here on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. Once we are done, we are going to click over here on save discount, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.